Alright, it is July 21st, and we're going to do a trade on Avon products right here. We look at this technically. They've had a lot of problems since all the way back here. It was some rumors that L'Oreal was going to buy them out for $44 a share or something like that, but obviously that didn't pan out. So we can see what happened here. They reported some pretty lousy numbers all the way up until right here. It was the last time they reported their earnings, and it was pretty good, but you can see that we had a sell-off on this day and the next day following, and it's never really recovered up to this point until right now, on July 21st. So we can see here we've got this higher low is higher than this low, and let's zoom in here. To the price action just over the past couple of days. So we can see here that this gap up failed. We had a retracement back to the breakout level, filled the gap, so we're clear to move higher now. You can see right here we've got a stochastic crossover, which means that the momentum is upward. The stochastics are just a measure of the closing price over the last 14 days. So these yellow lines and white lines, if they're moving upward, it tells you that the closing price is in the upper end of the range over the past 14 days. So that's a good momentum indicator, meaning that buyers are buying the stock early and continuing to buy throughout the day. You can see around here where the stochastics are low that this was the tendency for the stock to close at the lower end of the range for most of the days. So it looks like a lot of the selling pressure has subsided. So what we're going to do here is it's going to be buying the breakout. You can see that the stock is kind of poking out of the Bollinger Band here. It's just poking out of the upper range, so that's an indication of strength. So what we want to do is buy the stock here and maybe just set a trailing stop right beneath the previous day's intraday low. So since this is a breakout buy, we're going to assume that it's in an uptrend now, and that this uptrend will kind of just continue like this. Now that it's come above the 50-day moving average, it's held this right here. So we can either set our stops beneath the previous day's low, or somewhere around here beneath the 50-day moving average as it moves upwards. So that's our trade on Avon products.